Repeat after me. Iri, rie, eri, eriela, riri. There are two things to note about this verb. One, it doesn't go with everything that we use eat for in English. For example, we don't use this to talk about eating bananas in Igbo. We don't use it to talk about eating ice cream in Igbo. We don't use it to talk about eating snacks in Igbo. So I'll leave a list of food items that are eligible to be used or paired with iri. Iri. Again, achorom, iri, name of food. So you can't just leave it achorom iri. You have to put the food. If you don't want to say the particular food you want to eat, you can just say achorom iri nri. And that would mean I want to eat, not I want to eat food, just I want to eat. That's how it's expressed in Igbo. And if someone were to ask you, what do you want to eat? The question would be, gine ki choriri. So whenever you hear that, it's your cue to say achoramiri, and you say the name of the food you want to have. Then we know dash, 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 namasim. This is very useful now because we can talk about our love for food. If I'm a foodie, I could say irinri namasim. Or I could even say the particular food that I like, iri osikapa namasim, iri otara namasim. Something I can add to you for that namasim is nke uku. Nke uku. Nke uku means a lot. So if you say irinri namasim nke uku, that would mean I love eating a lot. I'm a big time foodie, right? So that is how to express that. Then we come to rie. Rie, I will just pair it with one command that we've seen before, bia rie. It's a greeting in Igbo. When someone says bia rie, they are not necessarily inviting you to eat. So it's just like a courtesy greeting. And if you're eating where people are present, it's only courteous for you to say to them, bia rie. And the response to bia rie can be, dalu, erielam, I have eaten. Erielam, I have eaten. So for that one, you don't have to say erielam, or you can just say erielam. Eri. Eri helps us express, again, those three brothers that we talked about. So you can say, Anam erinri, and that would mean, I do eat. And it can also mean, I am eating. Then agameri plus name of the food mean, I'm going to eat this food. Next we have riri. And if you want to say I ate, we say eririm. This will help you ask and answer the question, and that is like, what did you eat? And you can then respond eririm plus name of the food.